Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Peacock from Apple TV. Now, this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who no longer use Peacock. Maybe you've unsubscribed and no longer want it showing on your Apple TV. Or maybe you thought you just don't use Peacock enough, so you just want to go ahead and remove it. Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually delete Peacock from your Apple TV is that you're going to grab your remote and you're going to click and hold the center icon here for about 1 to 2 seconds. So once you click on the center icon for about 1 to 2 seconds, this toggle menu here is going to appear, and then you want to scroll down to where it says delete app. So go ahead and click on delete app, and that's going to remove Peacock from your Apple TV. But make sure that's what you want to do though, just because once you delete Peacock, if you want to reinstall it, you're going to have to go back into the App Store and reinstall Peacock there. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete Peacock from your Apple TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.